Hello my torties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Saskia. For those of you who are new, I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So for today's video, we're gonna go in great detail and talk about how to clean out your closet. This can definitely be a daunting task, but I have some suggestions that can help the process be a bit more enjoyable and a lot more effective. So let's jump right into it. So this is a super exciting topic for me because your girl loves a good decluttering. And it's just so satisfying to have a clean space. So let's get your space all ready and set up for growth and success. So before you even touch your closet, the first thing you need to do is set the mood. Put some music on, whether it be through Pandora, iTunes, YouTube, whatever floats your boat. Just set the mood to have a good time and get decluttering. As much as you'll be cleaning, this is equally a fashion show, so get the runway ready. Next up, you gotta open a window, at least one window. It gets dusty. So open your window to avoid getting a headache or feeling icky while you're decluttering. Believe me, I'm speaking from experience. Trying to clean out your closet is not fun when you're not feeling well. So make sure you also stay hydrated. The next thing you should do is build a rolling rack and put everything you can on it. My pro tip is to put this rack in another room. Don't crowd yourself in your room if it's small. Most of the things in your closet are hanging anyway. So use a rolling rack to help keep these things hanging and take up less space in your room. It makes it so much easier to sort through things when they're hanging as opposed to when they're laying flat. Now for the fun part, take everything out. Everything, get it out. Do the best that you can to take everything out in an organized fashion, but the main goal is really to get everything out. So now we start sorting. So sorting is a whole conversation in itself, and this is the fashion show part. Try on every single piece. This is the absolute best way to sort your things. To help you out at home, I created a free downloadable PDF that gives you guidelines on what to keep, what to sell, what to donate, and what to toss. You can find this linked in the description box below, and make sure to print it out so that you can use it while you're decluttering. Now that everything is out of your closet, you gotta clean the space. While the closet is empty, give it a good clean. Whip out the duster and the wet wipes and give the space a good wipe down. Pro tip, put a bath bomb in each corner of your closet to help deodorize and keep the space and all the clothes that'll be in there smelling clean. And alas, it's time to reorganize your space. Now that you put all this effort into actually cleaning your closet, let's make sure to reorganize it so that it's sustainable for you and will for the most part stay clean. And if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you turn on your subscription notification bell so that you know when this video drops next week. Okay guys, I hope this video was super helpful and motivated you to press that restart button on your closet space. Again, please make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It's super helpful for me to know if you guys are enjoying the content and if you guys want to see more. With that being said, go ahead and do so now. What are you waiting for? Join the fam. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
That's what I'm doing time. Baby, welcome to the party. I go skating around. It's in the back. Let me